Hello children, a wonderful morning to all. Welcome to our today's online ILGA class. I want all of you to be ready with your notebook, pencil, eraser, sharpener, etc. Every day you will be attending the online class and doing homeworks for the day. I hope all have finished your yesterday's homework, right? Yes, let us move to today's class. Today we are going to see the day 4 class of Unit 3. Are you ready? In our previous classes, we learnt about the vowel digraph patterns. Vowel digraphs. When two vowel sounds combine together to make a single sound. Two vowels combine ஆகி ஒரே ஒரு single sound கொடுத்துச்சுன்னா அப்படின்னா அதுதான் vowel digraph. Yes, what are the vowel digraph patterns we have learned in our previous classes? I, E, 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 I, E, E, Y, E. These are the three vowel digraph patterns we have already learnt. Now, for these three vowel digraph patterns, I am going to make a dictations to you. So, listen to the words first. After that, I will hide the word from your view. You have to write the word as your own in your note, either in ILGA note or in homework note, rough note. Look at the first word, grief. Grief. Say the word with blending sound, gr, G R, gr, E, F, grief. Gr, E, F, grief. Yes, shall we start writing the word? Now I will hide the word. Start writing the word grief. I give you 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Shall we move to the next one? Look at the next word, relief. What word is this? Relief. Relief. Just listen to the word carefully and try to write this word in your notebook. Relief. I give you 2 seconds to complete writing the word relief. 2, 1, 0. See the next third one, cease. Cease. I give you 2 seconds. Just see this word carefully. Cease. Start writing the word cease. I give you 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Look at the fourth one. Chimney. Chimney. Repeat once again. Chimney. Now, start writing the word chimney. I give you 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Shall we move to the next one? See the next one. Jockey. Jockey. Look at the word carefully. Jockey. Now I am going to hide the word. Try to write this word hockey. No, jockey. In your notebook. 2, 1, 0. Look at the next one. Alley. 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 Start writing the word alley. 2, 1, 0. See the last one. Valley. Valley. I give 2 seconds. Complete writing the word valley. 2, 1, 0. Have you all finished writing these words? If you are finished writing means you just make a self-correction with these answers given. I give you 2 seconds to make a self correction with your answers. 2, 1, 0. Let us move to our whole words part. Now we are going to recap the words that we have learned in our whole words part. First one is leaving. 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 Stayed. 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 Find. 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 Then. 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 Leaving. Stayed. Find. Then. Let us do one worksheet activity. Look at this. Worksheet number 4. Fill in the blanks choosing the appropriate words. Here a small story is given. You have to choose the correct whole words from these 4 words given in the box, and then have to complete these 4 blanks as your own. Try to do it as your own, ma'am. I will send the answers in our Helga 7 Homework group. Next, you have to read the story Wind, Fire and Paper independently without anybody's help. You try to read the story as your own. I already sent the pages of this story in your Helga 7 Homework group. You just refer to the story and then try to read the story as your own. நீங்களே read பண்ணி பாருங்க. Okay? With the help of the story, I am going to ask you one question. Now you have to write this question and answer in your note, maybe either Elga note or rough note. How did the other woman help in finding the gifts? அந்த கிஃப்டை வந்து கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு அந்த woman என்ன ஹெல்ப் பண்ணாங்க? The other woman. Yes, try to complete this sentence with the story Find Wind, Fire and Paper. You can refer the story Wind, Fire and Paper and try to complete this sentence. You have to write this question and answer in your note. Next, in worksheet 4, you have to complete the second question. Read the story on SR4. And then answer the questions given below. Here A, B, 2 subparts are given. And then in worksheet 5, C, D, E are given. Try to complete these 2 worksheet activities. Right? Look at the sentence. The sisters promised to get his gift. The sisters promised to get his gift. Do you all remember what was the meaning of the word promised? Promised the enema? Accept answers. Yes. Promised. Promised means keep their word that they had said. எஸ் அவங்க என்ன சொன்னாங்களா? அவங்களுடைய வேர்டை வந்து அவங்க சொன்ன வார்த்தையை காப்பாற்றணும்னு நினச்சாங்க இல்லையா? தட் இஸ் மீன் பை ப்ராமிஸ்ட். ஹாவ் யூ எவர் ப்ராமிஸ்ட் எனி திங் டு எனி ஒன்? யாருக்காவது நீங்கள் ப்ராமிஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்களா? எஸ், ஐ ஹாவ் ப்ராமிஸ்ட் மை மதர் தட் ஐ வில் ட்ரிங்க் மில்க் எவ்ரி டே. நான் எங்கள் அம்மாவுக்கு ப்ராமிஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன் டெய்லியும் மில்க்கு குடிப்பேன்னு. லைக் திஸ் யூ ஹாவ் டு make a sentence for these 2 words blessings and then wrapped as your own. நீங்களாவே உங்களுடைய சென்டென்ஸை வந்து மேக் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகேவா? and you have to write the sentence in your Elga note or in your rough note. Try to make sentence for these 2 words. Now we move to our grammar part. We are going to revise the quantity words. Quantity words tell us how much or how many of something is there. அதாவது how much இருக்குது இல்லை how many இருக்குங்கிறத சொல்கிறது தான் quantity words. Much, little, some. These three are used for the uncountable nouns. Things we cannot count. நம்மளால் கவுண்ட் பண்ண முடியாததுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய குவான்டிட்டி வேர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் என்னென்ன? மச், லிட்டில், சம். லிட்டில் மில்க், மச் ஜாம், சம் வாட்டர். இதெல்லாம் மில்க், ஜாம், வாட்டரை நம்மளால் கவுண்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ we have to use this much, little, some to for these uncountable nouns. Next, a few, many, some. These three quantity words are used for the countable nouns. Countable nouns means things we can count. A few books, many pens, some books. Books, pens and then books are all countable. என்ன முடியும்? So we use the words a few, many, some, etc. Right? These are the quantity words. Much, little, some, a few, many, some. Much, little, some are used for the uncountable nouns. A few, many, some are used for the countable nouns. See this in worksheet 5 question number 1. Tick the correct quantity words from the options given. You have to tick the correct quantity words from these options given. Is this countable means which noun you have to use, and if it is uncountable things means which quantity words you have to use. Just listen to the words and then pictures clearly and then tick the correct quantity words. Next, worksheet 6 quantity words. Fill in the blanks with the correct quantity words from the options given. Here A, B, C, D, E subparts are given. For this each and every sentence, the quantity words are given in the option. One is few and then little. For this A question, you have to try read this sentence first. There are a dash fruits in the basket. From these two options, which one is correct? Try to fill this blank with this correct quantity words given. Right? Okay, cuties, it's time to complete our today's session. Today's homework is you just complete all the worksheet activities and then make a sentence using the following words. One is blow and the another one is burn. I will send the answers for your worksheet activities in your ELGA 7 homework group. Okay? All of you take care. See you next class. Thank you. Bye, cuties.